Okay, here's a great exercise for you to work on your accenting using accented downstrokes. And the other notes will be just tap strokes here, lower, tap strokes like half strokes or lower. So this is based on an exercise called accent taps. And basically accent taps is where you're hitting some accent notes, but then followed by some tap strokes. So something like this. So this exercise will be a 5 count, all 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 5 E and you're going to do that twice through with your right hand and twice through with your left hand. So again, here's an accent tap exercise in 5. I'm going to count it out loud. You can play right along with me. Here we go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 5 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 5 E and a 1 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 5 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 5 E and a 1. Okay, as you can see, that's definitely a challenging exercise. You're having to more quickly get to those accents with less and less tap strokes in between each one. So just go super slow with it until you can get more comfortable going a little bit faster with it. But a fantastic exercise to work on these accent strokes and these tap strokes for many, many different reasons for the drums. Okay, see you next time.